Menteri rangba ka Jylla Konrad Konggal sangma menta ka sengi uloong ba ka Sorkar kan sapentim mano ban shimti ka kam kum Chief Secretary ba Thymmai ka Jylla Meghalaya. Habaya kran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang Menteri rangba uloong ba menta ompat kwa ban kran AA halor ka ka benta bat ya ka Kyrteng Chief Secretary ba Thymmai ka Sorkar ha ka ba ka Sorkar kan sa Pynbna ondal adai ka por. Habai day baga jingyalang Jong ki kenhun menteri u Konrad Konggal sangma uloong ba umla ban pentip AA halor karai ka ba kilai shim namar baladon ka jing Pynbna ya ka election Kyrteng samoy ha kilai tili ki assembly constituency ha kane ka Jylla Meghalaya. Bat ulaya thuru ba ka election Kyrteng samoy kanlong ha ki artli ki district kata ha East Khasi Hills district bat ha West Garo Hills district. Habai day ba ki kendon ki bahab ban board ha kapor ban yala be ke election menteri rangba ka Jylla uloong ba ki dang up ya ka jingtha jong ka election commission jong kari India but ondala yo kinsa pentip ikita ki kendon.
I'll inform
no,
you.
Yesterday the Chief Secretary has already, his age was yesterday 60 years.
Yeah.
So now we have...
So that's what I'm saying. When the time is appropriate, I'll inform you.
So on another issue,
I'll inform you. Model code of conduct. So we have to be slightly careful, and I want to make sure that we don't come into any kind of thing with the election code of conduct. So there are some important decisions we took, but it's not necessary that I need to explain the whole thing right now, because we have asked the departments to give us more details on those decisions. But because of the election code of conduct, I don't feel appropriate for me to mention those points because they will be directly in conflict and in interest here in these Khasi Hills area. So that's my issue. So I will request if if you have any other questions, I can reply to those questions. The government and the concerned department will be preparing a reply and sending back to them.
so
Thank you.
What is...
I had mentioned earlier on the floor of the House also, we are in discussion with Government of India in this regard. Thank you. Some of the candidate list has already been approved. I think the President must have released it by now. If not, then by today evening, the names of the candidates will be released from the party side. But I think it's not appropriate to talk about the party issue on this platform. So I think we can avoid election conduct questions. The Election Commission has decided and put these dates. So therefore, it's in the wisdom of Election Commission to do that. And they have, I'm sure, followed all the procedures and given the necessary time for all the aspects. So really, I don't want to comment on the decisions. So whatever the case may be, since Election Commission has announced it, political parties will. Well, we cannot presume that things will happen. We don't know. But of course, whatever the situation may be, even during election time, I'm sure Election Commission will give us protocols to be followed. So all the concerned candidates and parties will have to follow those protocols. And as I said, since Election Commission must have taken all those points into consideration and accordingly announced the dates.